Hello teacher and hello everyone. Today we do a topic about a day on beach. Yesterday my friend and I went to the beach. We decided to have a picnic. All of my friends packed sausage and some rice to eat, and I packed cartons of juice to drink. When we got to the beach, we had our picnic. It was so good. After that, we saw an ice cream van, and we decided to buy some ice cream. Since we felt so hot after picnic, we decided to go swimming in the sea. We all had our costume on and excitedly jumped into the water. The water was so cool, but it felt perfect with the hot weather, and everyone was enjoying it so much. When we got tired of swimming, we had an idea to build a sandcastle together. It was the biggest sandcastle we had ever built. We built it very close to the water. Just before we left the beach, a big wave came and destroyed it. Even though it was gone, my friend and I really enjoyed the picnic at the beach. It was such a wonderful time we spent together. Thank you guys for listening. Bye bye.